The intention of this short video is to educate you about the opportunities what you get after learning AI and data science. So by this time, you already know about what is AI and data science and what is the future of AI and data science. But just to brief it, actually, like we are in fourth industrial revolution driven by AI and data. Uh, AI and data science are creating a huge job opportunities. So something like around 2 to 3 lakhs job openings are there available in this year. In going forward, like it will be growing in exponential fashion, and so many studies conducted by NASCAM or other big agencies predict, or like we who conduct the research or survey about how many job openings and will be there in this space, and tremendous job openings are there, and there is a big demand and supply gap is there, so that you can search or you can re-verify about it. And the thing what we are trying to say here is actually like if you are not learning data science and AI, you will be forced to learn data science and AI in 4 to 5 years later, because most of the companies trying to leverage data science and AI to be competitive in this industry, and more every kind of industries, whether it is a pharma, whether it is a healthcare, whether it is agriculture, whether it is a finance, whether it is a betting, racing, everywhere data science and AI is there, and they are using the intelligence such a way that to optimize their operations, build a business, understand it. So, and it will be part of almost all industries, and hence it is creating lot of jobs who are very well skilled in data science and AI. So that is all about data science and AI. And now you may be agreed about, okay, fine, we are keen for data science and AI, but why your institute only? So the key question here is actually like most of the institutes are there. They are selling you the dream, and they are saying you that like there is a lot of jobs are there, high paying jobs are there, and promising the 20% hike, 50% hike, 100% hike if you are working professionals, or if you are freshers, you will get big salaries. But the key concern over here there is actually most of these education institutes takes the fees upfront. So they ask you to pay entire fee upfront, and they ask you to pay fees upfront, and whether your dream is fulfilled or not, they are not worried about. 1 minute, pause. So whether your dream is fulfilled or not, they are not bothered about, because they may be doing the good justice for it. But the thing is like they are asking the upfront fees of 2 to 3 lakhs, maybe 1 lakh. And thing is like if your dream is not fulfilled, then you have to run behind them to get that money back, or like you have to struggle yourself to get a job. So that we wanted to change. We wanted to change that. We don't wanted to sell you a dream, but we wanted to fulfill your dream. When your dream is fulfilled, then only you pay for the course fee. That is what the change we wanted to. And and the key thing is actually not only that you will be paying only when your dream is fulfilled, but we will be investing you in next 12 to 18 months to educate you, to train you, to give the real world experience through the internship at the client locations. We wanted to support you, not only the data science and AI, but we wanted to educate you in about other core subjects which are essential for getting into jobs, software, computer science courseworks. We also help you to get aptitude, communication skills, and and we help you to get mock interviews. We conduct mock interviews. we will give multiple case studies, multiple projects, so that we make sure that we get a good paying jobs. And if you look our curriculum, you will understand why we are so much confident about placing you 100%, and why we are confident that you will be get placed and we will be getting our fee, because our curriculum is very extensive. And not only we are helping you to bridge the gaps in your core foundations in terms of programming and other core subjects, but we also help you to deep dive into four streams. One is the data science and data science. Second one is the business analytics. So here we will be not only teaching you about the Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio, but we also give around 20 plus case studies across 8 to 10 business verticals, so that you get some kind of a domain knowledge, like case studies in healthcare, case studies in telecom, retail, case studies in logistic and supply chain, case studies in marketing, so that you get a domain knowledge what is essential for a data scientist. And also you will be working on the real case studies of a companies, so that you get a good grasp about the tools and the libraries, and how to build a model using these tools. And the other thing is, like, we deep dive into machine learning, we deep dive into deep learning in computer vision, and we also teach NLP and chatbots. So we are covering entire spectrum of data science AI, and we are giving like around 1 or 2 internships. So we are working with the live clients, and we will be doing 4 mini projects and multiple case studies. And if you are interested, if you are ready to grasp more, then we also engage you with the hackathons, idea competitions, research papers, and whatnot. Actually, it is all depends on how much you can grasp it. Actually, but the intention over is actually like we are training in 4 parallel tracks. At least one. If you are experts in one parallel track, it will get a job, paying job. But we wanted to train in parallel tracks, so that you get multiple opportunities across. And that's it from our side. And the key thing what I wanted to highlight here is, we are investing you 12 to 18 months intensive coursework and training, mock interviews, soft skills, aptitudes of worth 2 to 3 lakhs, or somewhere it's 4 lakhs, and without taking money from you. And we only take money from you when your dream is fulfilled. We are not here to sell the dreams. We wanted to fulfill your dreams. When your dream is fulfilled, then only you pay back. So that is what our commitment towards you, and that is what this program is about, and that is what our differentiating factors from the other programs. And so you will be, I hope you will be satisfied with the curriculum, you will be satisfied with our program, and we expect you will be joining us. So thank you.
Recording happen, but